Hi, so this video has been highly requested, and once again I'm here to help you elevate your video editing game. Open your eye to some tools inside the CapCut app you might have been neglecting. So if you don't already know by now, CapCut has updated its app, and at the same time there are now new features to help you elevate your video editing game. So follow along while I show you some of these amazing features. Hi and welcome back. If it's your first time here, my name is Cynthia, and if you don't already know, we already have a part 1 beginner's guide on how to edit your videos with the CapCut app. This is for people who can't really find their way around the app yet, so we have a part 1 to that, and this video, like I said, has been highly requested. Now I'm making the part 2. I'm going to leave the part 1 in the description box or a link here, so just check for it maybe before you watch this one, or you can still watch this one. Now this video is the part 2, more like an updated version, because since last time we spoke, a lot has been updated. 6 months ago it was free, now it's no longer free. Apart from the free and paid version, there's a lot that has been updated. I mean, a lot has changed with the app. So even if you don't want to pay, there's still a lot of plenty. I'm looking down here because I'm with my laptop. There are still plenty of great free features available within the app. Okay, and in today's video we're going to talk about both the free option and the paid option. So let's take a closer look at some of these amazing tools together. So I'm in my CapCut app right now, and the first thing I want to look at is this option for clarity. Honestly, I can't edit my videos without using this feature. It's by far one of my best features. So the clarity feature is a powerful tool that enhances the sharpness and detail of your video footage. Like I said, I can't do without it. Let's say for instance your video is blurry, or a bit shaky, not shaky, like just blurry, or it's not so clear. Maybe you don't clean your lens very well, or when you're recording the sun or something, I don't know. However, it's just blurry, okay, and you want to bring it back to life. The clarity tool would be your go-to because it essentially cleans up your video by sharpening the edges and boosting overall definition. I don't really know if you can notice any difference here though, but trust me, there's a difference between this and that. This video right now has no clarity. I haven't sharpened it or used the clarity feature, but when I do so, it just sort of enhances the sharpness of the video. So you might not really notice the difference, but I'm sure when you're editing your own video, you will totally observe it. You will notice it. But it's a very important feature in the CapCut app that no matter any video you're editing, you just need to use this option, the clarity option. It is the bump. You might not really notice it, but it does a lot, I am telling you. So do not ever joke with it. So to find this option when your video is already imported, just simply scroll all the way to your right till you see this adjust option. Tap on it, scroll again to your right, and then you see the clarity option there. Yeah, just there looking at you. Tap on it, then you can adjust accordingly. Please make sure you don't overdo it. Make sure you don't overdo it. As for me, I don't go beyond 30. Don't just like take it, you want to clear everything, then it's going to be over sharpened. So you don't want your video looking over sharpened, okay? You just want it to be moderately sharpened, so do not overdo it. For me, I don't go beyond 30 no matter the kind of video I'm editing. So that 30 is like my stop zone. So darling, next time you're editing, do not forget to use this clarity option or feature. I know some doubting Thomas will still be like, why do I need it? Why do I really need it? My video is sharpened again enough. I'm using iPhone 15 Pro Max. I'm using iPhone 16. Darling, I'm going to give you 3 reasons why you need to always use this clarity feature. So number 1, it improves low quality footage. If you've shot your video and don't really trust or understand your lighting, or probably with a lower resolution camera, clarity can make a huge difference in making it look so much better. So the next one, it enhances details. So even if your video already has a very good quality, clarity can bring out subtle details and textures, making your footage more visually appealing. Now the last one is professional look. A touch of clarity can give your video a polished and professional look or feel, especially if you're editing for social media or online platforms. So in summary, if you do not shoot your video in 4K, this clarity option can make your video look more defined and more professional. So the next is going to be a feature called the HSL. So as you can see in the app here, this feature, this HSL, is just very close to the clarity feature here. You see the HSL feature, it's a mind-blowing feature. I'm going to say, if I do say so myself, you can use one outfit, guys, one outfit. You can use one outfit, shoot two or more videos by simply changing the color of your dress inside the app. Do you understand what I mean? Like, one outfit, I can literally decide to change the color of that outfit, even if I want to repeat the same outfit for another video. That is what I'm trying to say. So you can change colors of your dress inside the app using this HSL option. I mean, isn't that awesome? That is so awesome. Who's gonna know? Nobody is gonna know. Yeah, but I don't think it works like it works on all color of outfits. For instance, I don't think it works on a white or black. I don't know, but you might just try it out. But I don't think it works on all color of outfits, but mostly on colored outfits like blue, yellow, red, green, and all of that. Guys, trust me, you definitely want to try this one out. Let me show you what I can do with it. Now, as you can see here, my outfit in this video is pink, and I'm gonna try to change it to, let's say, purple, because purple is a bit closer to pink. So the first thing you want to do is tap on HSL. Tap on the color of the outfit. As you can see, we have so many colors here. We have green, we have yellow, we have red, we have all of that, so many colors. So just tap on the color of your own outfit, the outfit that you're currently putting on in that video. The reason why you're going to tap on the outfit you're currently putting on is because you want a clean job, right? So you're going to start from the outfit that you're currently putting on. If it's green, tap on green and start working from there. So I'm going to tap on pink, because right here you see I'm putting on a pink top, and now it's time to play around with the hue, the saturation, the lightening. As you can see, I'm just playing around with it until I find what I like. I'm just gonna move it here and move it there, and while moving it around, you can see it's beginning to have a little of purple definition. So after I'm done with this pink option, I'm going to go over to the purple. I'll tap on this purple color right here, then it brings out the purple palette, so just so that I can fine-tune it better. And there we go. So look at this. Can you see there's a huge difference? I automatically have same outfit with two different colors. This is pink and this is purple or purple, whichever. So with this option, I can also play around with the sky or whatever I see in my background. Let me show you another example. For instance, let me just go right here and import this footage. As you can see, this is what the original footage looks like, but I just want the sky to be more blue. I don't know any shade of blue, but more blue. And to do that, I gotta go over to play with the hue. I just have to go and play with the hue. So once again, scroll over to the adjust, scroll until you find HSL, which is just beside clarity, and then since I want the sky to be more blue than it already is, I will tap on the blue color and play around with it. Remember, any color you want to work on, that's the color you have to tap on first. So I want the sky to be more blue, so I'm going to tap on the blue option. Right, so I'm going to start adjusting. I'm going to move it over here, move it over there, and just play around. Guys, always play around with the app. Study the app, like play around with it. I mean, nobody is perfect at this addicting thing. Just play around with it until you find what works for you. And as you can see here, we're doing an amazing job by setting. We're actually increasing the colors. The blue is changing, as you can see. You can see what that is doing to my video, what that is doing to the sky. Amazing, right? So this is one way you can make your videos more interesting. This option is not only limited to your outfit or the sky. Whatever you want, it could be the beach. Maybe when you're at the beach, you want the water, the ocean waves, all of them to be more blue or more sky blue or whatever. You can use that, or even the canvas at your back, or the colors of your handbags or your shoes. Maybe your handbag is blue and you want to change to yellow or whatever, or your shoes. Like I said, whatever you want to change colors with, the hue option, the HSL is there. These are like amazing features that are just like blowing my head up in the CapCut features. So now let's head over to the last feature I'm gonna talk about in this video. I just bumped into this one actually while I was preparing for this video, and I'm like, okay, honestly, that's why I said always play around with the app whenever you're bored or just want something to do, because honestly there's a lot here. There's a lot to learn in this CapCut app. So next thing we are going to talk about is stickers. Yes, you heard me right, stickers. I'm sure many of you don't even know that CapCut has dozens of stickers. A lot of times I get this question like, oh, how can I add the subscribe button to my videos? How can I add the like button to my videos? How can I add this to my videos? How can I add that to my videos? I mean, you literally have that option inside the CapCut app. You can literally add whatever sticker you want to add. So you can add subscribe button to your videos, logos, and whatever without having to outsource outside of the app. It's all inside. It's all in here. Okay. All right, guys. So these are some of the features that are currently blowing my mind that I just wanted to share with you all. If you want me to do more of these kinds of videos, like revealing some of the features that I like in the CapCut app or whatever editing app, let me know down in the comments. That way I can walk you through some of these amazing features. Like I said, there is a lot. I mean, there's literally a lot of features you can work with here. Also, you can join my CapCut team. Instead of subscribing for 9,900, which is the subscription rate for CapCut app, you can join my CapCut team for just 3,000 naira. So with 3,000 naira, you can subscribe to the paid version of CapCut for a month. It's a monthly subscription. So I'm gonna be leaving this number right here on the screen, so you can contact Joy. No calls, please. Strictly WhatsApp messages. So you can send Joy a message if you want to, if you want the monthly subscription for CapCut for just 3,000 naira. All right, send the WhatsApp message to this number. So that should be all for this video. Let me know if you want more by simply saying we want more or I want more in the comments. Do not forget to subscribe and like this video for more content like this. Please, it do helps my channel a lot, so don't forget to like and comment and do other YouTube stuff. Also turn on your post notifications because we're going to be pumping out more videos and you don't want to miss that. So with that being said, I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.